Hello everyone, my name is Rama Hidayati and I'm currently a student in Actuarial Science at Universitas Muhammadiyah Bogoraya. In this presentation, I will talk about the actuarial profession, what actuaries do, the industry we work in, and how our role is growing in today's world. Actuaries is not just insurance. I will also share a glimpse into a typical day in the life of an actuary based on a real example. By the end of this presentation, I hope you'll have a better understanding of how actuaries contribute to society and why their work is more important than ever. So, let's begin. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Rama Hidayati with name B2212400010. Program study in Actuarial Science at Universitas Muhammadiyah Bogoraya. This time, I will be making a video assignment or final exam project, WAS project, for English course that discuss actuarial science, not just insurance. What is an actuary? An actuary is someone who deals with the mathematics of risk and uncertainty. We use data, statistics, and models to predict future outcomes, especially those related to finance and insurance. Our core function, our main job, is to evaluate risk. We take uncertain future events and try to put a financial value on them. That helps companies and governments make smart database decisions. Actuaries, not just insurance. While actuaries are strongly associated with insurance, our skill can actually be applied in many industries. Anywhere there is risk, actuaries can help manage it. The insurance industry. In insurance, actuaries help design, price, and manage insurance products. This includes life insurance, health insurance, property insurance, and casualty insurance. Actuaries in finance. Many actuaries work in banking or investment management. We model financial risk, economic scenarios, and market uncertainty. Actuaries beyond finance and insurance. Actuaries don't just work in insurance and finance. We also play important roles in other industries where risk is critical. For example, in transportation, actuaries help airlines and shipping companies analyze safety risks and forecast operational costs. In the energy sector, such as oil, gas, and utilities, we help companies predict demand, manage pricing strategies, and prepare for supply risk. We are also involved in environmental risk modeling, especially when it comes to climate change and natural disaster. Helping governments and business prepare for long-term environmental impact. And in government institutions,
Actuaries help manage social programs like Social Security and Medicare and contribute to regulation and public policies. These examples show how versatile actuarial skills are. We can work in almost any field where understanding and managing risk is essential. Enterprise Risk Management, aka ERM. Enterprise risk management is where actuaries assess risk across an entire company, helping to balance risk in operations, strategy, finance, and reputation. Chief Risk Officer roles. Some actuaries advance into leadership roles like Chief Risk Officer. They advise company executives on how to manage all types of risk strategically. A day in the life Karen De Toro. Let's take a real life example. Karen De Toro from Deloitte Consulting. She works as an actuarial consultant, and her schedule is always different depending on the client and location. Karen's activities. She does things like writing reports, consulting with clients, building models, attend training sessions, and even volunteering for professional committees. And show how diverse actuarial work can be. Skills of an actuary. To success as an actuary, you need to be good at math and analytical thinking, but also communication, technical knowledge, and adapting to new challenge. Why it matters? Actuaries help people, business, and governments make better decisions. Our work has a real world impact, from protecting life to improving financial stability. Summary. In summary, actuaries are risk experts. We work in insurance, finance, government, and many other fields. Our role is evolving and becoming even more important. Next, there is vocabulary that is difficult or rarely heard by me. The first one is regulation, artinya adalah peraturan atau penataan. The word regulation can be made into a simple sentence like regulation government, industry regulation. The second is the word threat, yang artinya itu ancaman atau gertakan. Kata threat ini bisa digunakan dalam kalimat security threat dan major threat. The third word is pension, yang artinya itu pensiun. Kalimat simpel dari kata pension itu adalah pension plan. Terus ada retirement pension. The fourth word is forecast, which means itu ramalan atau prakira. The simple sentence for the forecast is risk forecast and then weather forecast. The fifth word is volatility, yang artinya itu keriangan, bisa juga kegembiraan. Kalimat simple dari volatility bisa itu market volatility and price volatility. The sixth word is sustainability, which mean artinya itu keberlanjutan. Kalimat simple dari kata sustainability ini bisa environmental sustainability dan juga economic sustainability. The seventh word is compliance, yang artinya itu adalah pemenuhan atau penyesuaian. A sample sentence using this word is legal compliance, terus bisa juga regulatory compliance. The eighth word is opportunity. Artinya itu adalah kesempatan. In a sample sentence can also be career opportunity and growth opportunity. The ninth sentence is projection, which mean artinya itu proyeksi. Sentence projection can be financial projection and revenue projection. The 10th word is stakeholders, yang artinya itu pemangku kepentingan. Bisa dijadikan kalimat sederhana itu kayak key stakeholders and business stakeholders. The 11th is the word adaptability, artinya itu kemampuan beradaptasi. This word can be used as a sentence high adaptability and adaptability skills. The last one there is the word impactful, yang artinya itu berdampak. This word can be used as a sentence impactful work and also impactful decision. Okay, the presentation is finished, but let's wrap up the presentation with a final reflection. So, actuaries are not just number crunchers. We are risk experts, problem solvers, and decision supporters. From insurance and pensions to finance, energy, transportation, and climate change, our work helps people, companies, and governments. We give value to uncertainty. We forecast, analyze, and project the impact of every possible scenarios. We help companies make better choices, reduce losses, protect people, and even build some sustainable system for the next generation. If you are someone who enjoys solving problems, thinking deeply, and helping others through logic and planning, then this profession might be the right fit for you too. The world is constantly changing, and the risks are always evolving. So actuaries will always have a valuable role in society. Thank you so much for watching this presentation. I hope you learned something new and gained a better understanding of what actuaries really do. Stay curious, stay thoughtful, and always keep learning. See you next time.
So it's finished. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm Restura Mahidayati, and I hope this presentation has given you a better understanding of what actuaries do. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of risk. Bye bye.